Animal Kingdom and I'm very excited because I've not seen Pandora before, so I'm excited to see it. Hello Animal Kingdom! Yay! We're in! We picked up Andy as well. Hello! We've missed him today. He usually comes to food and wine and he didn't get there because he's been busy working. But we got him now. Look at that! Look. Wow! Wow! It's quite wow, isn't it? Wow! That's amazing, isn't it?
It's cool, isn't it? Oh, here is a way. Yeah. It's technically over there.
I think it's smarter to go to the left. Abby.
We're going to have a look at the food in the restaurant here. Aimee says it's very nice. We're not going to eat yet because we've got a fast pass.
I'm hungry.
I'm hungry, I'm always hungry. We've got a fast pass for Flight of Passage. So we are not going to
Can we just go this way?
eat. Yeah. Let's have a look. Look at it. Look. It's very cool.
So you can make your own bowl.
Right.
And then you pick like what you want, your base. And then they've got those little buns.
Yes.
Cheeseburger pods.
Right.
But I had one that was like curry chicken or something to that. I don't think they've got that anymore.
So you just order here in the like fancy futuristic canteen
And then you just
go and eat in here.
Yeah.
There's a menu on the wall there.
Alright.
I think it's still there.
Those are all bowls.
Ah, right, okay.
Is that one's for like allergies? Because they gave us that when we were asking. So it tells you what you can have when.
Oh, that's
Do you know
very
what I mean?
good, yeah.
So then it was good for him because we could say, oh, they've got milk in, so we can't have them.
Right, very handy. beautiful scenery. That's ruining my shot. Look at that. That is fantastic, isn't it?
I just want to run in the middle of that picture.
Here's the boat ride.
Ah, right.
Here's the boat ride. I don't know how you can get boat ride from that, but
No.
boat ride.
What's it called? Doesn't even say what the attraction is called, does it? River Journey.
55 minutes for a 20-second ride.
I think, is that not quite long, that one?
No, that one's short.
Is it?
No, it's like 90.
Over here, it's pretty.
Oh, it really is, isn't it?
This is actually the best time to come because you've seen a little bit in the day, and then at night everything lights up.
Yeah. It's beautiful, isn't it?
Oh my god.
Listen to them. It's 120 minutes now, is it? Glad we got those fast pass.
I imagine we might wait a while on this fast pass line.
So we're now going on the other Avatar ride, which is called... What did we decide it was called? The Navi River Journey, yeah. It's very dark, you probably can't see. You might be able to see something in here. There you go.
I like the jellyfish.
Look, because we're gonna head out now. So pleased that we got to do those two rides. There. I think we're getting kicked out now. It closes at 8 o'clock, so we're gonna head out. All the Pandora gear. It's very blue.
I don't know what the hell this is.
Is it a knife? Maybe? A glow-in-the-dark hoodie with a tail. A jigsaw. Oh my goodness, look. That's a very heavy mug. you felt the the world's heaviest mug?
No. Oh, it's stupid, I know.
The floating rock.
I just like that.
You're not going to want a cup of coffee out of that, are you?
Imagine, there's your coffee.
Get me in.
That's pretty, isn't it? Love the colours. Look, there's the banshees.
Oh, I don't think I'm buying some here. Here you go, Dad. Look.
Do you want one? Very reasonably priced.
Look.
Oh, look.
Hello. Hello.
How much are they? You're not allowed to know. They're like super expensive. I don't know. Is that something for it to sit on?
Yeah, that's $24.
Is there anything I've done, you guys?
Yes, how much are they?
$59.90.
I thought it was more than that. That's
I thought they were more than that,
Yeah.
that's why I was wondering. They're kind of like rubbery.
Yeah. Look.
Yes.
Would you like to?
Oh my gosh, yes.
What do you like?
My right hand.
Sure, well, just gonna go around.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll have your shoulder.
Okay.
That's
Making a noise.
he's a banshee. He's always do that. So this one opens his mouth. This one down here. Moves his head from side to side. This flaps his wings. You got it.
Oh my god.
This one. His name is Flame Hot Cheeto.
Oh, I see why. He's like, hey. Oh my god. He wants to play with hot Cheeto. Oh my god, that's amazing. Thank you for letting me try your bench.
Let go of the controller and then got a picture.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
So what name? Right.
It's good, isn't it? It's like Game of Thrones, isn't it?
Yeah, I would call mine Rhaegar. I can't believe I got to try that.
I know.
So cool.
Has that made your day?
That's made me day. No, I don't. Well, you know what it is, don't you?
Do you want to go down here and out?
Yeah. Puppet. It's, well, yeah, but that's not. I'm puppet now, no. I like this. It's cute.
Oh, I like that. No, I like this. That one's nice.
It's there. And, oh my god, there's a.
I love this.
Oh, well. There's some fancy targets. Andrew, would you have a nice friend?
Obviously, we probably just missed it, like.
Mom, come over here.
When is my mom?
Look.
Well, because on the other side, where the river is, there's like floats come out, and they're like
The next day we got back from Animal Kingdom quite late. We just stopped for something to eat on the way. We like got a drive-through. We did both of the Avatar rides. We thought that Flight of Passage was amazing. It was absolutely amazing. One of the best best attractions that I've ever been on. I thought it was spectacular, absolutely loved it. I thought it was like a bit of a cross between like the Harry Potter ride and also Forbidden Journey, I mean, not Gringotts. So it was kind of a cross between Forbidden Journey and also like Soarin' maybe, but like way better than Soarin'. So yeah, we really loved it. The other one, the river journey, is it called the Navi River Journey? I'm not au fait with all the proper names. We thought that was like pleasant and like very beautiful, but like not very spectacular. It was like kind of a little bit boring. I don't think it was worth like a huge long wait. I think it's nice, but I wouldn't wait like a long time to ride it. So yes, anyway, as I said, I'm going to finish this video here and we will see you in the next one. Bye!